Welcome to this video, where we will walk you through how to use the Visa Commercial Pay VCP platform. Step 1. Super Admin Account Registration. After requesting a corporate prepaid card at the branch, you'll receive an email that includes a registration link. Follow these steps. Click the registration link. Create your password and security questions. Log in to the platform. Select Use My Own Authenticator app to connect your VCP account to your Authenticator application. Scan the QR code using your phone's camera. Follow the instructions to complete the setup in your Authenticator app. Enable two-factor authentication using your Authenticator app. Once the authentication setup is complete, your account is fully activated and you can now access VCP online. Step 2. Creating a team. After activating the account, the super admin can start setting up the team and assigning the roles and responsibilities to users. Log in to VCP Online. From the top menu, select Mobile Control, then Teams. Click Create. Enter the team name, for example, Marketing Department. Link the team to the funding card by selecting the card, then click Create. Enable the options E-commerce card and Digital Wallets, then click Update. Step 3. Setting up approval bands. In this step, you will define the approval limits used to assign the role of each approver and to set the maximum amount, or virtual card value, that each approver is authorized to approve according to internal policy. Before creating any approval bands, you must first restrict the employee from generating a virtual card on their own by enabling the Receive Only permission. From the top menu, go to Mobile Control, Approvals, Approval Bands. Click Receive Cards Only. Name it Receive Only. Then click Create. After that, you can begin defining the highest approval limit. For example, if a virtual card is issued with a value above 50 Kuwaiti dinars, it will require approval from the assigned approver. Follow the steps below. 1. Name the approval band. Use a clear name that reflects the limit, such as Approval KD 50 and above. Note: it is recommended that the approval band name includes the financial limit to make it easier to distinguish between the different permission levels. 2. Select the user permissions. Select Receive, Request, and Create to specify that this approval band will be used for requesting and creating virtual cards. 3. Identify the currency. Choose KWD as the fixed currency for all cards to remain aligned with the funding card. 4. Card limit setup. Under Card Limit, enter 1 KWD as the minimum limit to ensure the approval workflow applies to all requests. 5. Setting the daily limit. Under Daily Limit, specify the total daily approval amount. For example, if each virtual card has a value of 50 KWD and the daily limit is 500 KWD, this means the approver can approve up to 10 cards per day at the same limit. 6. Allow sending cards. Enable Allow sending cards so approved cards are automatically sent to employees after approval. 7. Approval limit. Under Approval Limit, enter the maximum approval amount for this approval band. 8. Add approvers. And now click Add and enter the email addresses of all users who will serve as approvers for this band. 9. Review and save. After reviewing all details, click Update Approval Band. Creating a second approval band below 50 KWD. If you would like to add another approval band, for example, for any virtual card issued with a limit below 50 KWD, repeat the same steps above with the following adjustments. 1. Select the user permissions. Select Receive, Request, and Create to specify that this approval band will be used for requesting and creating virtual cards. 2. Name the approval band. Use a clear name that reflects the limit, such as Approval up to KD 50. 3. Identify the currency. Choose KWD as the fixed currency for all cards to remain aligned with the funding card. 4. Card limit setup. Under Card limit, enter 1 KWD as the minimum limit to ensure the approval workflow applies to all requests. 5. Setting the daily limit. Under Daily limit, specify the total daily approval amount. For example, if each virtual card has a value of 50 Kuwaiti dinars and the daily limit is 500 Kuwaiti dinars, this means the approver can approve up to 10 cards per day at the same limit. 6. Allow sending cards. Enable Allow sending cards so approved cards are automatically sent to employees after approval. 7. Approval limit. Under Approval limit, enter the maximum approval amount for this approval band. 8. Add approvers. And now click Add and enter the email addresses of all users who will serve as approvers for this band. 9. Enabling the escalation feature. Add escalation. To activate escalation, click Add Escalation and select the next approval band, such as Approval KD50 Plus. When escalation is enabled for a band that is below the higher limit, for example, below 50 KWD, the request will first be sent to the approver assigned to that band. After the first approval, it will automatically be forwarded to the approver of the higher band for final approval. A virtual card will not be issued until both approvers have approved the request. After reviewing all details, click Update Approval Band. Step 4. Linking approval bands to the team. This is a key step. If the bands are not linked, the team will not follow any approval rules. This step is essential in setting up the permissions. Here, you will link the previously approval bands you configured to the team. Without this step, none of the approval limits will be applied to the team, and the approval workflow will not function as intended. From the top menu, select Mobile Control, then Teams. Select the team that was previously created, Marketing Department. In the Team Settings, go to Approval Bands section. Link each approval band to the team by selecting it and clicking Add. Step 5. Assigning the team administrator. In this step, you will add the user who will serve as the team administrator. This user will have the authority to manage the team, add members, and send them virtual cards. Go to Mobile Control, Teams, then click Team Members. Click Add Team Member. Enter the required details for the user you want to assign. If the user will be the team administrator, select the highest approval band and enable the Team Administrator option. If the user will be a team member, assign the Receive Only approval band. If the user is not yet registered on VCP, you can invite them by enabling Send Email Invite. Notes: 1. Team members can be added in VCP Online by the superadmin and in VCP Mobile by the team administrator. 2. Approvers were already assigned earlier during the approval band setup. Step 6. Optional. Enabling advanced card controls. In this step, we will set up advanced controls to restrict how virtual cards can be used, such as setting a monthly limit, defining the number of allowed transactions, or specifying permitted countries. You must first create a control template with the required restrictions, and then link it to the team for the controls to take effect. From the Administration menu, select Card Pool Search. Enter the name of the funding card. Go to Advanced Card Controls. Click Add Template to create a new control template. In the template settings, enable the controls you wish to apply to the virtual cards, such as allowing or blocking specific countries or merchants. Click Create Template. From the top menu, select Mobile Control, Teams. In the Teams settings, Go to Advanced Card Controls, then select the control template you created. Click Save to activate the controls for the team. Note: funding card assigned to a team can only be linked to one advanced card control template. It is not possible to assign more than one template to the same team or funding card.